just make the start point for Julian because from this down, posting where cities, and then included on this is why into and of course on the other side, done right. There is also one link road between
okay,
Muhammad Ribas is you are not done with it. I'm sorry. You are not done with it.
You are the shooter.
okay. How now?
Yes, sir. All this you have had in campus over now. So we have a bit of problem, especially that contrary to our expectation, contrary to our expectation, we are just to clarify, we discovered that what was there before, no line again. So we have to remove everything, clarify everything completely. Like a fresh one, we are doing there now. Yes, sir. Right now we are done. For sure, sir. Before the end of this month, everything will be done. Everything will be done.
Have you told them? So this is actually the show all through.
I will try to connect with them, see if there is at the section of the outer southern expressway, the inner southern, there is an interchange that which has now become open to traffic here. So this, instead of this work is done.
The street lighting is practically is all completed. All the electrical line has been installed. The only thing missing, but if you see displayed here, is the location for the transformer of this area. So the transformer has been already even tested. We tested all the lines. One day we did all the tests, so it was working, everything was perfect. So we are just waiting to understand better close to the commission to install the transformer to connect to the national grid. Just that the outstanding work of the...
Based on the places we've gone to today, can you please give us an assessment of all
Patrick, I mean, don't push me. Thank you.
places we visited on Saturday?
Well, thank you very much. Where we are now is the Goodluck Jonathan Highway, which is being completed and is going to be part of the roads that we believe will be commissioned in May. We have spotted out some areas that we think that the contractors should make an adjustment. But overall, it's been completed, and we believe in the next 1 or 2 weeks, the street lights will be on. We also went to Zapelo 2, where we stood on top of the rock. That will also be completed before May ending. That will have been handed over to us. That's been done by Gilmore. Here, this is done by Salidi. Then went to the diplomatic area, which is not part of what will be commissioned, but to see how they are doing. We believe, like they've said, in the next 1.5 years, they should be completed if funds are released. I believe, by the grace of God, we'll have the funds, and we'll make sure you can see that it's a lovely place for anybody who would like to reside. So we're happy. Generally, I think we are doing well. To the glory of God, we are doing well. We are doing well. So, and I commend all of you for your support, and the residents of Abuja who have been making some sacrifice. If you see some road have been diverted traffic. And the other one we went to where General Beggar is working, General Beggar has agreed that all the areas that were the old surfacing will be completed before May, even though we are not inviting Mr. President to commission them, but let the world know that Abuja is wearing a new look. So we can say that we're free to go, we're happy.
Okay, Minister,
sir, please, we know that this inspection has been going on. These projects are even becoming too numerous for us as members of the press to count. Do you have an idea about how many bridges and roads in total? Because we can't even just place a number.
I cannot tell you here that I can enumerate how many bridges and roads, but we have quite a number of them. I can't say offhand, so that I don't make a mistake and give you wrong information. But before the end of the month, you would have had the number of bridges and roads and other things that we were presenting to the public, what Mr. President has been able to achieve in Abuja within his 1 year in office.
okay, Ministers, away from the road construction, we know that there have been a land dispute between some Abuja natives and the Nigerian military. Has the FCT reached a resolution yet?
Well, we're still working on it. The military is part of government. We have met, and the Chief of Defense staff have assured us that everything will be resolved amicably. So we are still on it. So there are no cause for alarm. We are the same government.
Chairman from the chairman.
Honorable Minister, the 2024 budget has been signed by the President.
First of all, we want to thank Mr. President who has assented to the Appropriation Act and enabling us to really go in to start procurement process. What you will see will be a revolution in terms of infrastructure. These few months we came in, 1 year, almost 1 year that Mr. President has come in. With this budget, a lot of things will be done, not just on roads, but in health sector and education sector. Just be assured that it will be a revolution of infrastructure in Abuja.
All right, thank you, sir.
So I was going to ask you,
Okay.
a good number of Nigerians having a field day in Abuja. How would you respond to this criminals?
I don't know about criminals. I've always told you that there are those who will never be happy in their life. They are sadists. If anybody who says that there's no improvement in terms of street light, it's a sadist. We are trying also to make some repairs of those that have been vandalized, which is not easy. Like when you had the Salary saying about here, that they've tested it, but even though they've not owned it because they are waiting for commissioning. So maybe this is part of the area they think that is dark. When you say criminals all over, I think those who are saying so are part of the criminals themselves. People should be able to commend government when there are improvements. I didn't say here that we are going to concentrate only on the roads. We are saying we are going to dwell on the health sector and the education sector. In terms, even agriculture, in terms of education, there are a few weeks we flagged up about the renovation of about 19 schools. And I just said that we are going to take on 21 schools again under the 2024 budget. These people know. It's just that some Nigerians find it difficult to accept the reality of ground that yes, things have changed. And when you do that, you see that those who are working will give in their best. But not when you do something, so them to commend you on that, they are not happy. What they expected is not what they are seeing. They thought that we would have failed. But unfortunately, we are not failing. We are going on stronger and stronger every day. So don't bother about sadness. There's nothing you can do about them.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Oh my goodness.